Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of the automotive industry. Known for its performance-oriented vehicles and rugged trucks, Dodge has become a staple in the American automotive landscape. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Dodge. Dodge. Here we go again. Dodge. An interesting fact about Dodge is its reputation for high-performance models, such as the Dodge Challenger and Dodge Charger, which are famous for their powerful engines and classic muscle car design. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Dodge, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.